that's how you break in a brand new Predator 212 and an eBay torque-a-verter.
Back in action on Joey's Whirlwind. As you can see, we got a little bit of a problem here.
We got no engines!
Alright, we got a whole bunch of parts here. I want to give them a quick rundown what we got here, Joey?
I got a brand new 212 Predator from good old Harbor Freight. This is the Hemi version. Little tech tip, if you're looking for a Hemi specifically, if you look in the handle, you will see the cast aluminum valve cover as opposed to the stamped steel, which is on the non-Hemi motors. We also picked up a brand new torque-a-verter off of eBay. We already did a video on that, so you can click right somewhere. Check that out. So I also went on ombwarehouse.com and ordered this throttle setup. I was going to make my own, but I figured this is 35 bucks. It's pretty good quality. Great thing about this product, it comes with very detailed instructions.
A couple other parts Joey failed to mention. We got his old exhaust from the GX200 and a old intake adapter. I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. I'm not sure if it bolts right up GX200 to Predator. We'll figure it out though. We'll make it work. New motor out of the box. Want to do a quick rundown of what we're doing here, Joey?
I'm gonna take off the stock air box, which I already goes in there. Take off the stock muffler, and I have to disconnect the throttle setup to be able to use this throttle linkage setup.
You'll probably have to take this fuel tank off maybe to get that on. But it should look pretty sharp, especially with the red motor plate. Wait, are you confused with that? Or?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the instructions.
Okay, we'll get it. So one other thing we got to do on this motor is, as you can see, Joey's got the carb off, taking it apart. When you run an aftermarket air filter, it pulls in a lot more air than the paper one's allowed. So we're gonna have to open up the fuel a little bit. I think we got a 38 thousandths bit, and from past experience, that works halfway decent. So we'll show that process real quick. Came up with just got the little bit in the vise here. It's not going to chuck up in a drill, and even if it did, it'd probably just bite immediately. So I'm just going to basically take this, go by hand like this. It'll take a while, but I can feel it. I can feel it biting, and just keep going like this for a little bit. It'll work. Doing any porting on this thing or what? No. Okay. Low end. This is going to be a stump puller. That's all this motor's going to be, a stump puller. Alright, so we got the throttle set up, all hooked up on the Predator. Joey did that. Ready to go in? Ready to go in the bike now?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, cool. What are we going to do? Put the torque-a-verter on first or just go?
No, I'll put that on after it's on the bike.
Okay, cool. And you got this.
I'll do a whole shot.
Whole shot?
Once Paul gets his stuff out of my way.
Okay, yeah, cool. We got Paul's little campsite set up over there. We'll see what's going on with that in a little bit. Motor's in, bolts are on. We're doing the new torque-a-verter.
eBay.
Yep, everything here is pretty much, we got 100% Chinese on possibly an American frame, so East meets West here. Okay, just adding some fluids here. What do we got going on, Joey? We got this thing pretty much ready to go now?
Yeah, hopefully. We kind of ran into an issue with the factory gas tank fitting.
Yeah, the big advantage to get an old clone gas tank, as you can see, the fuel filler's all the way on the right side. Most of these other ones, they line up right where you don't want them to be. It was just touching the top tube here, so it just wasn't really going to work out as built.
So we kind of followed tradition of bolting old, crappy parts onto a new motor.
Yep. So throttle's rigged up. We got the springs.
I think it's full.
let's see. Yep, okay, we'll just let that go all over the floor and then fire it up. Okay, we got it oiled up, gassed up. One more thing we did, we basically just unplugged the oil sensor so, you know, it doesn't make an issue when we're riding it in the woods and stuff. All right, we're going. This is a first pull. This is a cold start. We're going to see what happens. You got it choked?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got. Is it on? It is not. Okay, on now.
Paul, come hold it.
Oh, third pull. Third pull.
So it's a couple days later. We ran into a couple issues hooking up the throttle. Main issue was I needed this return spring and we didn't have one here at the shop. Works good now, and that's what this setup looks like once it's installed. Pretty good. I like the quality of it. Other than that, this bike is done. It's March now and we're gonna finish up Mike's bike, hopefully Paul's bike. And Paul's bike doesn't need much to get done. Mike also has to finish off Project Gold everything, and I need to start that. So it's getting to be nice weather outside. We're definitely going to get some more riding videos. I can't wait to ride that. Hopefully the next video I get to.
Alright, I've been behind the camera most of the time in this video, but you know, subscribe if you want to see more of this. We're doing it anyways, so you might as well. But yeah, we'll be getting out riding hopefully pretty soon. So anyways, check you guys next time. TheJanticJournal.